Okay, Sounds of Decay 3. This is Urne, A Feast on Sorrow. Second full length from the London-based trio known as Urne, a band easy to enjoy but difficult to classify. Bass player vocalist Joe Nally cleverly employs interwoven clean and raspy vocals for the duration of the record.
Admittedly, I have not heard their back catalog, but based on this material, the stoner sludge tag is puzzling. On one hand, the artwork and lyrics have a post-rock ISIS type feel about them, but musically, the band has a lot more in common with traditional metal and thrash.
Guitarist Angus Naira is obviously a student of the old school, his majestic and blues-based lead style comparable to something like Megadeth in The Burden and A Stumble of Words. Something like A Feast on Sorrow, the title track, could be a Nevermore song if the vocals were a little more operatic. And the stickwork of drummer James Cook is full of double bass flash in that one as well.
Song ranks buzz in about the 5-minute mark, with the exception of 2 11-minute epics. No lyric sheet, which is kind of a bummer, but this album offers perhaps a perfect cross-section of old school heavy metal played in a modern way with warm, expansive production. Again, there is something going on with extreme metal in the UK in this year, and Urne is the latest example.
Would you introduce the song?
You know, they actually, 2 members of the band had relatives that had like degenerative diseases, and that's kind of what spurred on this album. This is a song that is near and dear to me. It's The Flood Came Rushing In.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.